Hey guys, it's Lanny again with Snake River Canine. You definitely have to watch this video of Guy. He does so awesome in his training video today. This is an updated video of a social interaction opportunity with Guy out in public, and he does so amazing in this high distraction environment. So stay tuned to check him out. All right, guys, this is Guy. Guy is participating in our unique and amazing puppy training program. He is in our advanced training program. So he's one of our puppies that has been in training with us longer. He's a little bit older and he's matured into such a beautiful, amazing puppy. And we're so proud of how he's doing. This is a really great video to really showcase how awesome he's doing in training and to also showcase his personality. Now, in this social opportunity, Guy got to go to the gym and he was able to not only hang out in a really super chaotic environment with lots of kids petting him. You can't hear the background, but it's really loud where he's at. There's lots of music playing, and you can see throughout the video he has lots of fun visitors. And normally this type of environment with this much interaction with new people would get a dog excited or get them distracted, and you can see that Guy does really well. He has a couple times where he gets distracted, but overall he's really calm with all of this energy and excitement that's going on with all the kids coming and petting him. You can see that he is paying attention to his handler and that he is focused on her, and it really shows that he has a really excellent personality. During his time in our training program, Guy has done lots of traveling and been to lots of different social events and opportunities. He's met lots and lots of people. He's an excellent traveler. Guy is just an overall great, well-rounded puppy. We absolutely love to see how these puppies grow and flourish in our program, and we especially get to see that in our advanced training program. If you keep track of our videos, you can watch the progression our puppies go through from start to finish through our training program. And so this is just a really great showcasing of what our puppies get exposed to and the opportunities that they get to participate in and the type of training that we're able to do with them, not only in our basic training program, but then on into our advanced training program. Now, Guy is available to a wonderful forever home. If you're interested in Guy or in our training program, you can contact us through our website. That web address is www.snakerivercanine.com. Now, since we work with puppies full time, we found some really awesome training aids, treats, food, and other dog products that we absolutely love. If you're interested in finding out what those products are, you can check out the links in the description for more information on our favorite dog products. For more information on